not stable, and we are not autonomous. That's how a European group described their existing SSO and FA platform when they came to us. And honestly, the second part is the one that matters. They had a few thousand users, an Active Directory on-premise, and more than 200 internal web applications. They wanted SIEM and OpenID Connect, push and TOTP, conditional access, SIEM-ready logs, and a way to bring external contractors into the same flow. Standard list. The real constraint sat underneath. They wanted to stay on-premise, keep their Active Directory as the source of truth, and actually run the platform themselves once it was in place. They also did not want user credentials sitting in a second system. Primary authentication had to lean on the directory they already trusted. So that's what we built around. We ran the proof of concept on their infrastructure, AD integration, the IDP, SAM service provider integrations, push, TOTP, conditional access, help desk delegation, contractor federation. And then there was a request that does not fit a standard product sheet. They wanted users to land on one page after logging in, see every application entitled to, and open any of them in one click. With 200 apps and entitlements that vary across teams. Our IDP did not do that out of the box. So we extended it. SAM IDP initiated SSO, entitlements driven by directory groups. When a requirement is genuinely useful and close to what the product already does, we'd rather extend the product than tell the customer it's out of scope. That's the part we cared about.